everybody knows that it has been a long-standing desire of Brussels to ruin the City of London because they strongly oppose the sort of Anglo-Saxon free trade capitalism that the City of London represents. This is not about freedom. It's not about me being xenophobic. It's about the fact that I oppose an undemocratic superstate being created without my permission. When we asked the British people whether they agreed with their freedom, democracy being taken by Brussels, they said no. And do you know what? In the fullness of time, there's a very good chance the French with Le Pen are going to vote no as well.
All right, then Charles Tannock, your reaction.
I think that's an appalling statement. Actually, Andre Walker clearly doesn't know much about the City of London, which I represented now for 18 years. It was actually Draghi wanted to stop the City of London trading in euro-denominated instruments. It was actually the European Court of Justice which defended the rights of the City of London, which is outside of the Eurozone,
what about the Tobin
trading
tax,
in
Charles?
euro-denominated bonds.
Tax?
And the Tobin tax has never happened and was never likely to happen. And if it did happen, it only happened amongst the 6 or 7 countries, including France, who were keen on it. There was absolutely no way they could impose it on the rest of the European Union. So I'm afraid I don't buy any of this. The fact of the matter is, if the EU was so undemocratic, why is Nigel Farage still drawing his salary as an MEP, elected, as it were, and given huge amounts of money and resources to try and destroy the European Union? Why is tiny Wallonia, why was it in a position almost to block the Canada-EU trade agreement because the powers are devolved to national and even regional governments? I actually find in many ways the EU more democratic. The fact of the matter is that MEPs were always going to have a vote on the agreement with the United Kingdom, including British MEPs, whereas there was an attempt to block MPs and peers from having a vote on one of the most radical changes in our constitution in over 40 years. So I don't buy any of this, I'm afraid.